All right, so it's a freezing cold, ice cold morning. Going to work. You can see the dog is ready to go. Got the blue van there warming up. And all right, let's go. Come on, let's go to work. Smokes a little bit when I first started up. Hasn't been running in a while. Let's put the dog in. Come on, let's go. Up. I have to cover the seat so dirty dog there doesn't get the floral print all dirty. We have a lot of clashing colors, you might say, with the beach towels, the spotted dog, the floral print interior, and our Subaru 360 van just looks so good. So we're gonna take it to work today. It's gonna be a nice day. You can tell everyone loves seeing me drive the little Subaru 360 van around the neighborhood. Get lots of smiles, lots of waves. Turn the choke off here. Let her idle down. And there she goes. About down to 2,000 RPM. Okay. I'm gonna take you guys with me for a little ride. It's in reverse. Right there. Make sure nobody's back there when I back out of the driveway. I run over any small children. Oh, there's some bicyclists. I'm gonna wave. They're waving back. All right. Think we're clear. Here we go. Put her down in first gear. And we're away. Everyone likes to wave. Miles of smiles is what I say. All right, I'm going to concentrate on my driving and enjoying my little Subaru 360 van on my way to work. More smiles, more waves. Everyone is so happy. It's a good day to be alive.